This week in artificial intelligence. News, advances and business. This OpenAI GPT-3 powered demo is a glimpse of NPCs in the future. The developer of Modbox linked together Windows speech recognition, OpenAI's GPT-3 AI, and Replica's natural speech synthesis for a unique demo, arguably one of the first artificially intelligent virtual characters. This cute book explains AI to children, without scary terminators. A new book by Matteo Loglio, co-founder of the product and interaction studio OYO, aims to make AI accessible to children. How Google's hot air balloon surprised its creators. The gaggle of Google employees peered at their computer screens in bewilderment. They had spent many months honing an algorithm designed to steer an unmanned hot air balloon all the way from Puerto Rico to Peru. But something was wrong. AI armed with multiple senses could gain more flexible intelligence. Human intelligence emerges from our combination of senses and language abilities. Maybe the same is true for artificial intelligence. AI smashes video game high scores by remembering its past success. An artificial intelligence that can remember its previous successes and use them to create new strategies has achieved record high scores on some of the hardest video games on classic Atari consoles. Why machine learning strategies fail? Most companies are struggling to develop working artificial intelligence strategies, according to a new survey by cloud services provider Rackspace Technology. News, concerns and hype. Boston Dynamics, robot cop dog should not be used to intimidate. Pinkonian company which essentially sells virality, recently purchased Spot, a dog-shaped robot, from Boston Dynamics, and mounted a paintball gun on its head. The stunt is meant to draw attention to the fact that this thing will definitely be used by police and the military to murder people. Exclusive, Google pledges changes to research oversight after internal revolt. In remarks at a staff meeting last Friday, Google research executives said they were working to regain trust after the company ousted two prominent women and rejected their work, according to an hour-long recording, the content of which was confirmed by two sources. Israel's autonomous robo-snipers and suicide drones raise ethical dilemma. In recent years, the use of autonomous weapons has seen a dramatic increase on modern battlefields, and the proliferation has increased international concern over the ethics governing their use. AI researchers detail obstacles to data sharing in Africa. AI researchers say data sharing is a key part of economic growth in Africa, but that it faces a number of common obstacles, including the threat of data colonialism. News, analysis and policy. Biden should double down on Trump's policy of promoting AI within government. Trump's recent executive order on promoting the use of artificial intelligence in government agencies, however, presents a rare bipartisan sentiment and promises to improve government policies and services across the board. The current administration should not only maintain this policy, it should make it a priority. That's all for this week. If you are not subscribed and liked this, feel free to subscribe.